What's up? So, as you guys can see, we back in the garage again. And it's not the M. So, today, I've been putting this off for a while too. This is a homie's car. I've been wanting to get his calipers painted. Got everything taken apart. We got the parking brake off, all cleaned up. Just got to tape a few things off. This one's all ready to go. It was wiped down, nice and clean, taped off. And then we're putting new rotors on and painting the center of them black. Then we got this side where everything is just disassembled. So yeah, we were pretty much ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna get this side all cleaned up, and then yeah, we'll be ready to spray it. So yeah, it's not gonna be like too long of a video either, because I know it's a lot of videos out there on caliper painting. I'm gonna just show y'all this real quick, and maybe we'll go for like a cruise or something later, because I do got the M3 sitting right outside the garage. So maybe we might go for a little ride after this. But for now, we're gonna get this knocked out. So let's get to it. All right, I got this one all wrapped up. I just wrapped the whole thing with tape all the way around, and then got this little thin blue tape to go around the edge. Already cleaned up the middle with some alcohol. So we're ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna put a light coat of primer on there. It's a high heat primer. This guy right here. Then I'll go behind it with the gloss black, also a high heat. So let's get right to it. Okay, nice little colored primer all the way on there. Gonna get that like 5-10 minutes to dry, and then we'll come back with our base coat, the color coat. We got them all primered out. I'm gonna go ahead and put this gloss black on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a minute, let it dry off. Then I'll come back, do the same thing. Get it nice and covered. Alright, see? So they all blacked out now. Nice and black. Went ahead and peeled that little blue tape y'all seen me put on. So then that keeps the line nice and fresh. Y'all see that? Ooh, so fresh, so clean. So we're gonna just let this dry up now. It's almost dry. You can see almost. Let it finish drying up. Actually, gotta run to the store because we ran out of primecito. We ran out of primecito. So gotta get some more primer. That's the color right there. Y'all see it. It's gonna be hard too. I already primed the e-brake thing. It's clean, it's clean. Look, scratch proof too. Look, scratch it. Nothing. So that's gonna be clean. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the finished product because it's gonna look nasty, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be nasty. So we just got back from the local store, grabbed some brake cleaner. What else did we get? Grabbed us some little microfiber things. I just needed some towels so that we can do like the final clean down on it, you know, final wipe down before we spray the calipers. And I got the primer, so we can really get down to work. Y'all see what I'm in. Y'all see what I'm in though. I had to bring it out today. It's a nice day. Let's go on and get back to the crib. Where we at right now is, like I said, we gotta get this one cleaned up. Get this one, I cleaned it up, you know, scrubbed it, sanded it. It just needs like a final, you know, get like little dirt and stuff. And we have to clean the front. Let me show you guys this though. This came out clean. Y'all see that rotor? That came out too clean, man. This is what make me want to do my car now. Shoot. Came out too clean. So, and this side is pretty much ready to go. So this side is already up. It's kind of hard to see. I gotta grab my light. Where's my light? Can I get a light? Can I get a light, please? Come with me. So, you can see. So this side already pretty much did it. Taped up. Is ready to go. I just needed the primer. Same with the front up there. So we'll just dive right back in. Let's go. Like a little all-purpose degreaser on there, or cleaner. It's like an all-purpose cleaner, and I got a little scuffy pad. So grab this, got it wet. Let's get to work. So it's pretty much clean, except for like you can see like, you know, little tiny spots in there. So we're gonna get a little more in depth, try to get that off, and then we'll wrap it up and keep moving. All right, so finally got them all wrapped up. Everything's all clean, all masked up. See how I did that? Did the inside in there. Got that. Oh, wait, where'd it go? Oh, right there. So got that nice and good. So it's all good. So it's a little tricky. I'm gonna have to paint it. So I'm gonna try to spray it. I'm gonna do the primer on here, and then I'm gonna try to flip it, and then do the primer. Let it all dry, and then we'll come back with the green, and we're gonna do each wheel like that. So yeah, let's dive right in. Let's get it. So we are now officially ready for color. I'm gonna start with the parking brake ones first. See how many coats it needs. Hopefully, I don't think it needs that many. Maybe, I'm thinking maybe like 2. So this color should be like really strong. So let's see. Oh yeah. All right. So that covered a lot better than I thought. I'm not going to even have to go back for second coats or nothing. That's cool. Like, this stuff covers so good. So good. So now, I'm going to get this other one done. Knock them other ones out. So we can get this thing back together. I can't wait for the end product. Let's go. Let's go. We in the home stretch now. We got our decals. We need to toss these things on there. I'll throw a little bit of clear coat, and we're gonna get this thing assembled back together. So let's go ahead and toss these things up there. Oh yeah, the details. It's in the details. So it came out so clean too. So clean. Got the black Tesla lettering with the, I'm gonna call that lemon. That's definitely lime. That's definitely lime and green. That lime and green on the midnight black. What y'all think? Y'all comment down below. Tell me what y'all think, man. That's too hard. I like it. Make me definitely want to do mine now. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. I got more to come too. So y'all just hit that subscribe so y'all see when everything come out. And we're gonna keep pushing.